Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The General Secretary of the Nyotrep Youth Council HYC, Roy Kupar Sundram, in conversation with media persons on the 25th of August 2022, had made certain clarifications on the allegations made by supporters of the government that the HYC has been misleading the public insofar as the signing of the MOU on border settlement between Meghalaya and Assam is concerned. Speaking on the issue, Roy Kupar Sundram informed that the allegations are baseless and therefore, to prove its point, the organization will be organizing a public debate on the 30th of August 2022 at Patharkama under Jirang constituency, wherein all those who are involved in the signing of the MOU, including government representatives and those who oppose the same, will be openly defending their stand on the issue. Sundram also extended his invitation especially to the Chief Minister, his Council of Ministers and MLAs to take part in the public debate on the signing of the MOU for resolving Phase 1 of border road settlement between Meghalaya and Assam.
Nakaliang jong kaseng hakini gisngi hadin ba ngilayo ka memorandum of understanding kebalai sign aprengka sorka apreng chief minister jong ka jela ka jongi baru chief minister jong ka Assam hadin balami sibun ki jing kentho ba khajing bombyang kanika MOU kebalai sign apreng ki atligi sorka bat hadin ba nakaliang jong kaseng ngila wat ru lembaga RTI naki office ngilayo ekikot kisla but hadin kata kum kaseng ilarai ban lei du syaupat ba ban panpau ya kajing persyak kajongi badi halor kani kajing bombyang jong kani ke MOU but nakaliang jong kaseng ila pelong ya kajing lang pat ba kajing ya pat ba kebahe hang tiapok sonong ston hakini kita yo ki peladam hadin ketu kajing lang kapal along hanong ston ngilei ki basibun ki minister ki MLA kumjuru khamtam e kini kinong kita kinong kitkam jong kiseng sign perthai khamtam e jong ka NPP ki belah kentho badong bag HYC ke persang ban ya lambakla ya kani kamat ka bakta ya kinok syong snong khamtam e ki basyong hapok haput kladon ka jing kentho oblong ba ngiale politik sing ni kam ne nakaliang jong kaseng ni kwa ban keren da ka basya bakaseng kam persya ya kajing ya penbet put habdeng ki artli ki sorka nakaliang jong kaseng ni pediang da kamensiam ka ba kelut namar mangirung ni kwa hi bakani ka jing kini ka isu ke belah sateng menta deki sanpau teli kisnam na duk mengilayo la kajong kajela ngiru ngikwa hi balak ban penkut no lane ban penbet no ya kani ka kam mat mi kwa ru ban keren da ka basai ba kum kaseng ngimdon hok ban ya lambak layo pat ba nong syong snong jong kani kajela ti halor kata ka dongrem khnang ba kandon ka jingya syai mdei tamangin keren tang nakaliang ka jongi ka jingya lang pat ba ki fer lan ki meeting khnang ba upat ba unsung thu ba manu badai bat manu balan nakaliang jo kaseng ni khot bat ni wer khamtam e itu kinong kersan ki bakersan e kani MOU ka balasain hapadeng ki arngut ki chief minister syak ka jingya tai kemut kandai benda da ka public debate komut ba nakaliang ka jongi kum ki ba persya e kani MOU nginbu laki jong kinong keren bat nakaliang ngajong kiru ki bakersan kani MOU kila ban wan chakhmat ban pensha shopat ba bat kajialang ka baningkong lani kata kajinya tai ka baningkong ya ka bangi ngila penben kalau man nakaliang jo kaseng ngin sepelong ya ka public rally hapok Patharkama hakalai potrik mentau benai ti halor kani ngikhot ngiwer ya chief minister ya ki minister bat kumjuru ya ki MLA ki badon bentah hak ban kersan le ban yasoy ya kani ka MOU bamakiru kila banwan syakani gajinya lang kaban long hakalai potrik jong mentau benai hapok Patharkama kaman senang na duk kopor khat RBJ bat nakaliang ka jongi ngin penbet laki jong kinong keren ngingin bu laingut kinong keren ki ban keren ban persya e kani MOU bat makiru kila ban bu laki jong ki breu laingut ki ban keren ki ban kersya ne kani MOU khnang ba kani ka isu kani ka jingi keno bamaki keno bamangi ngi alambakla bat mangingi ong pat mangkiki ru ki alam baklai kini ki isu da kaboong ba umdan ka jingdu ki jaka jong ki shnong khasi la ni kita ki jong ki hima khasi ba upat ba unyo sngo habashit habashai